You ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna try out this Braid Balm by Beach Waver. It's called Pre-Braid Prep, and it says, put this on roots to tip, sleep in braids, wake up with waves. So let's try it out. It's a foam, giving you frizz-free smooth braids. All right, let's go. Let's see if you can do it. My 8-year-old's gonna give it a try first. My hair's a bit short, but I don't know, maybe. Is our hair like the same length?
Probably.
I think yours
not.
is. Yours is longer. Okay.
Satisfying. Satisfying.
Ooh, there it is. Okay.
My hair
Yep.
smells delicious.
Smells delicious.
Here?
Ooh, it smells like coconut. I think. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how much to put.
Don't forget the back.
Oh, okay, no. Rub together.
Oh, rub.
And then just comb it through your hair like that. Yeah. Yeah.
You doing yours too?
No, I'm gonna do it just like this. Or just do like this. Don't put in like too much. Okay.
I wouldn't ever be crazy.
You want me to braid it or are you gonna braid it?
I don't want to.
Okay, so let's go. You do one side, I do the other?
Yeah.
Okay. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Wait, didn't the girl in like the video?
Yeah, the girl in the video started up high.
She did like a French braid.
She
girl.
did.
I don't know how to do a front braid. I'm just gonna do a normal braid, but start up. Ha, girl. Ha.
I don't know how either. Oops, now I've got down to two. Oh boy.
Okay. 2, 3.
It is a little bit sticky.
It is.
Oh my. We'll see who's got the better braid.
Me.
Yeah.
I did my friend's braid at school.
We are used to just braiding hair fresh out of the shower when it's all wet and sleeping in it with no product, which gives a nice results. How's it going? Twist it? Really?
Yeah.
Isn't it just gonna untwist?
Probably.
Yeah. It's very sticky now. Let's see. Let's see. Let me try.
Oh my god.
I mean, my side's not great either. Wow, look at this one. I did pretty good there. I think I'm learning. French braid is getting better. Maybe I should do this side again. There we go. I've done a pretty pitiful French braids, but we'll see how it does. We put in just a little bit. Maybe we should have put in more. We will learn as we go, but we'll see how this goes. It's the next morning. We had some hair fall out, so let's see how it did. Take them out gentle. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so good. Hold on. All right, so we didn't put a lot of that balm in, but we definitely got waves. So pretty, look at that. What do you think compared to when we do it wet braids from after the shower?
I think these are better.
These are like more chill, I think. Yeah, the braid ones that we do after the shower are kind of like crazy town.
Yeah.
These are fun. And then I bet that balm like is almost like a mousse kind of thing that it'll make it stay a little bit. Pretty. Fun. Love that stuff.